Welcome back. This is Attorney Patrick Silva. Today's video, I'm going to be dismantling a Alco Sensor 4 breathalyzer machine. As you can see here, this is the intoximeter Alco Sensor 4. This is a preliminary alcohol screening device. And this particular machine is something that the officers carry in the back of their patrol unit. And on this device, this one's made by Intoximeter. I'm going to pull it apart, let you see what exactly is inside. But the short story is, in California, if you're asked to perform a breathalyzer before you're arrested, that's called a preliminary alcohol screening device. You have the option in California to decline it. Other states might have different set of circumstances and requirements. On this particular machine, this is called a fuel cell device. I'm going to pull it apart and you'll see, but a fuel cell device, think of it as a AA battery has a positive and a negative. Think of the fuel cell as one half of a AA battery. Let's say the negative. Let's take your breath. When you blow into the machine, that would be the positive. When the positive from your breath touches the negative on this thing called a fuel cell, it burns. It produces a burn and a electrical current. The electrical current goes into the little computer and it produces this magic number, which they allege is your breath result. As you can see here, this is the intoximeter Alco Sensor 4. Here's the mouthpiece. I'll take this out. I've already pre-assembled it. Here's the top. Here's the inner workings. Here is the chips. And what happens is the breath comes in through this tube, enters here, and then goes down this little tube, and it goes into this unit called right here, and this is called the fuel cell. It goes into that little bitty hole. You can see it. It goes into that little itty bitty hole. Inside there is this unit called a fuel cell. It has a coating. Again, if you compare it and analyze or analogize it to a AA battery, it burns there, and eventually I cut the wires to take it out, but the wires feed back through and it does a calculation and comes up with a magic number. Now this is just for illustration purposes. I'm not saying these machines are accurate or inaccurate. You make your own decision. But in my challenge in fighting DUI cases, we've had a lot of success in beating the machine. This is Attorney Patrick Silva. I hope you have enjoyed this little illustrated video on what's inside a breath machine. When I teach classes on a Saturday to other lawyers and I'm showing them the art of DUI defense and how to beat certain cases and how to present a case that wins, one of the things we do is we tear apart the breath machine. And again, that's what's being tested. That's what's testing your breath. You can find me over at beatmydui.com or silvaandsilvalaw.com. We handle other types of cases here. My son's a lawyer. He does the personal injury side of work. My daughter's a lawyer. She does wills, trust, and probate. If you need a free consultation, give us a call, 909-798-1500. Again, Attorney Patrick Silva. Hope you've enjoyed this educational video. Have a nice day. Bye.